Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to archive WhatsApp chats. If you want to hide a conversation from your main chat list without deleting it, WhatsApp's archive feature is the perfect solution. In this tutorial, I'll show you the complete process step by step. So let's get started. As you can see on the screen, open WhatsApp and go to the Chats tab. Now, find the conversation that you want to archive. Next, press and hold the chat until it becomes selected. Once the chat is selected, you'll see several options at the top of the screen. Tap the archive icon. As soon as you tap it, the chat will disappear from your main chat list and move to the archived folder. Now, open the archived section to see your archived conversations. As you can see, the chat has been moved here successfully. Archiving a chat does not delete any messages or media. Everything stays safe, and you can access the conversation whenever you want. If you want to bring the chat back to your main chat list, simply open the archived folder, press and hold the archived chat, and then tap the unarchive icon. The chat will immediately return to your main chat screen. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to archive and unarchive WhatsApp chats. This is a useful feature for keeping your chat list organized while keeping important conversations safe. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future WhatsApp tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.